Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Santriani and I from class 12 ATPH. I will submit the final rules of my reverse at P4SJSB during 6 months internship there. Below is the presentation.
Chapter 1 Introduction. Background. Pumpkin Jujubita monstera is a plant commonly found in aquatic fields or home gardens. This creeping plant belongs to the Jujubitaceae family. In various regions of Indonesia, pumpkin is known by different names, such as Labu Parang, Malaysia, and Wulu, Central Java. Based on information from the Nuclei family aggregation AK of the Faculty of Public Health, Universitas of Indonesia. B. Objective. The objective of this field work practice 1. To understand the certification process for pumpkin distributus monstera. 2. To understand land certification and cycle cultivation technique for pumpkin cultivation. 3. To understand the process of making planting beds for pumpkin plants. 4. To understand 4. For planting procedure for pumpkin. 5. To understand maintenance and care of pumpkin plants during growth. 7. To understand harvesting process of pumpkin plants efficiently and efficiently. Benefits of VKL. The benefits of this fieldwork practice VKL activity are as follows. 1. Benefits for students. A. To apply and enhance the knowledge that has been obtained. Benefits for the school. To establish mutually beneficial competition between the school and industry. 3. Benefits for industry. A. To increase public awareness of the industry efficiently among the school community. The diversifying product formation. Chapter 2 Information of activity. A. Time and place of information. The fieldwork practice PKL was conducted from August 4, 2025 to December 4, 2025 and took place at Jalan Bersama RT 63 RW 10 Sedau Subdistrict South Singkawang District Singkawang City West Kalimantan Province. Chapter 3 Rules. A. Rules. The PKL activity carried out at P4SB includes several types of horticultural crop cultivation. One of which was pumpkin cultivation. Pumpkin is one of the fruit commodities that is highly demanded and tree forest promising for cultivation. The cultivation standards conducted at P4SB include the following. Under the brand Superme F1 from Panamera Company, 1 packet contains 95 pumpkin seeds. The germination rate of Superme F1 pumpkin seed currently runs from 85% to 99%, depending on the tea and fake king. However, some thus many have lower germination rate, around 65% to 72%. 2. Land profession cultivation. Land profession for pumpkin cultivation was carried out after clearing the remains of foreign watermelon crops. The initial step in land profession at P4SB involved spraying weeds using systemic herbicide Prima 5 product by PT Prima Karya Berjaya. After the weeds had
died approximately 7 days later, flanning beds were the free fruit. 3. Profession of flanting beds. At VM Patesby, pumpkin flanting beds were made without using plastic melts. The beds were 30 centimeters in height because they were established on relative high or elevated land. The distance between were 50 to 70 centimeters. The spacing between flames was 1.5 meters. The distance between fines flakes was 3 meters and the length of each bed was 50 meters. 4. Flaning of pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds were flamed directly without fry or necessary preparation. At Forum Patesby, the seed used were superior pumpkin seed under the brand Super Me F1 from Panamera Community. The flaning procedure was as follows. First, holes were made with a depth of the centimeter using a hole. The flaning holes were formed using a unit stick with a depth of 2 to 3 centimeters. The pumpkin seeds were placed into each flaning hole. The holes were then covered again with loose soil and topped with 1 handful of compost, fertilized approximately 30 to 50 grams per flaning hole. During the dry season, grass was placed on top of the flaning hole to maintain soil moisture and optimize plant growth. Planting was carried out in the morning or late afternoon. 5. Maintenance. Maintenance of pumpkin plants at V4 SDSB include fertilization, pruning, and fresh disease control. 1. Fertilization. 2. Pruning, and 3. Fresh and disease control. 6. Harvesting. Pumpkins are ready for harvest approximately 75 days after planting. Signs of maturity include hard skin, bright and consistent for color, and drying tendrils. Harvesting is carried out by cutting the stem using scissors or a knife. The harvested pumpkins are then thrown in a cool and shady place to extend the shelf life. Chapter 4. Conclusion. B. Conclusion. The sixth section of high-notice superior pumpkin seeds was carried out using the Super Me F1 brand. 2. Land fertilization was conducted by spraying herbicide Prima 5 product by VT Prima 5 Karya Berjaya. 3. Pumpkin planting bed was made without maize with a height of 30 cm, a length of 50 meter length, spacing of 1.5 meter band, spacing of 50 to 70 cm, and fine spacing of 30 meter. 4. Pumpkin seeds were planted directly in the field in the late afternoon to promote better root growth, improve efficiency, and avoid heat stress. 5. Pumpkin maintenance included deep pruning, fertilization using the dredging method, and pest control with insecticides to ensure healthy growth and optimal production. 6. Harvesting was carried out when the pumpkins were 75 days after flaming, followed by sorting, packaging, and marketing. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.